finally done with the C-Ray. So, got it running. Looks like still got to connect the trim sensors. That's that right there, trim sensors. I already troubleshot that. That's the gauge is not getting enough voltage. It's probably a bad wire or something. We'll fix that. That's no issue. It's the hour meter. 687 hours. Engine should be like brand new. What do you know? It is. This engine right here, we just repaired it. Oh, looks like we got a little leak, a little water leak. That's alright, we'll take care of that clamp. Got the harness, repaired that harness right there. That looks good. Watertight. Lowered our throttle, painted everything. Brand new transom assembly. New exhaust gaskets. And here we go. There's our prop. Got that thing spinning. Spinning pretty. Yeah. Got the water running through it. That's kind of dangerous, you know. In case that thing explodes, pops, and shoots off, you probably don't want to be caught behind that thing. Break, cut your leg off. That's all right, cause we're safe over here at All Power. Okay, we got our new alternator down there, brand spanking new marine alternator. Alright, we broke down the trim switch. Trim switch is not working. I think we got a bad wire there. I'm gonna run a new wire. But all in all, it looks like this thing's ready for interior. To me, you just gotta get all the interior pieces back and just install it. This thing's gonna be like a brand new boat. It's amazing how much room you got to just work on the engine when the interior is just taken out. You know, we're at bare boat right now.